The Battle of Tannehill Furnace was fought on March 31st, 1863, during the American Civil War. It was part of Confederate General Nathan Bedford Forrest's counter-offensives against Union forces in northern Mississippi and Tennessee. The battle took place at Tannehill Ironworks near present-day McCalla, Alabama. Although the Confederate forces were outnumbered, they were able to successfully repulse the Union attack, causing heavy casualties and capturing several hundred prisoners. Despite being outnumbered, Forrest's forces were able to drive back the Union attack, causing heavy